Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll show you how to download and install the RedNote social in our computer. Follow these simple steps to do it. On your computer, go ahead and open a browser. You can use any browser. In your browser you have to type this link and you will get this link in my video description below. Just open this link and you directly jump into RedNote website. Okay, once you are in RedNote website, if you want to log into your account, you can enter here your mobile number and enter here the verification code and click on login. Or we can simply log into our RedNote account from computer by scanning this QR code. Let's see how to do it. All you have to need, open your mobile, and on your mobile open the RedNote app, and here select me, and here you will find this scan QR code icon. Just click on that. Click on scan QR code, and all you have to need, scan this QR code from your mobile RedNote app, and here check this option and just click on login. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully logged into my RedNote account. Now I can use RedNote from my computer. Okay, now to install the RedNote to your computer, all you have to need, click on your browser settings. Here, hover over on cast, save and others. Here, just click on install RedNote and click on install. And the RedNote app will be installed to your computer. Now on your desktop, here you will find the RedNote app. Just launch it and go ahead and enjoy the RedNote from your computer, just like so. So that's how you can actually do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.